Delayed deliveries, frantic scrambling during supply chain disruptions, and eroding profit margins all stem from a single source: strategic misalignment. Modern business has reached a point where companies themselves rarely compete. Instead, their underlying supply chains compete. An excellent product fails the moment its delivery system cannot match the service levels of a faster or cheaper rival. To fix this, we are going to build a strategic fit blueprint. This is a tool designed to calibrate your physical operations to your specific competitive strategy. Grab a blank piece of paper. Draw a line straight down the middle. Now, select one specific product or business line you want to evaluate, and keep it in mind as we map out the steps. We do this because a great product is useless if the machine delivering it was built for a different business model. Step 1. On the top left of your paper, define how you win customers. Based on Michael Porter's framework, choose either cost leadership, competing on low price, or differentiation, competing on uniqueness, quality, or speed. You must pick one. Attempting to be both the absolute cheapest and the absolute fastest results in being stuck in the middle, failing to satisfy either market. Step 2. Right below your strategy, classify your product's demand type as either functional or innovative. Functional products are stable commodities, like flat-packed furniture. Demand is predictable, life cycles are long, and price competition is high. Innovative products, like fast fashion or electronics, have volatile demand and short life cycles. Here, customers will pay a premium for immediate availability. The demand volatility of your product dictates the physical architecture required to deliver it profitably. This is the strategic fit matrix, used in Step 3 to determine your archetype. If you chose cost leadership and a functional product, write efficient supply chain on the bottom left. If you chose differentiation and an innovative product, write responsive supply chain. This archetype sets your ultimate operational goal: minimizing total delivered cost or maximizing speed and availability. Step 4 involves tuning your operational levers. On the right side of your paper, list these 6 drivers: facilities, inventory, transportation, information, sourcing, and pricing. First, facilities and inventory. An efficient chain relies on few centralized nodes with lean stock. A responsive chain requires many nodes located near customers, holding buffer stock to absorb spikes. For transportation and information, efficient operations use slower, low-cost transport and basic cost tracking. Responsive operations pay for fast, direct shipping and real-time demand sensing. Finally, sourcing and pricing. Efficient models rely on low-cost offshore suppliers and stable pricing. Responsive models require agile nearshoring and flexible pricing to manage demand. To succeed, every one of these operational levers must pull in the same direction. This brings us to Step 5, the fit audit. Compare the ideal settings you just mapped out on the right against how your operations actually function today. Consider a common misalignment: a brand competing on fast fashion trends that chooses a slow offshore production model to save on unit costs. That brand's supply chain actively sabotages its strategy. By the time cheap goods arrive, the trend has passed and the value is gone. Strategic fit ensures that every operational driver is calibrated to reinforce your competitive position. Review your completed blueprint. The competitive strategy on the left side strictly dictates the operational choices on the right. Use this to highlight the specific settings where your operations are leaking value. Take this document to your next operations meeting. It provides a clear map for correcting the drivers that are currently pulling in the wrong direction. Evaluate every future supply chain decision on its ability to maximize total customer value rather than just minimizing internal cost. Achieving this perfect alignment transforms your supply chain into your primary competitive advantage.